So previously, I talked a little bit about using AI tools and introduced several out there. And I wanted to talk about one in particular, and not that you have to use this one, which happens to be Copysmith, but that you see what is kind of possible. And I think this will help stimulate some ideas. You can see how you can use this in your business, or maybe give it to one of your team members to use, or a similar tool. So first of all, I'm Adam Moody with Oasis Optimization. And if you want help with email marketing, sales funnels, automation, head over to oasisoptimization.com. Now, like I said, this particular tool is Copysmith. I'm more of the type of person, if I think a tool is really great, I use it myself. I'll definitely share it. That's the case here. But I also understand the need of using the right tool for the job. So if you have your favorite, or you've heard, or someone recommends a different tool, by all means, use it. But for today, I just want to show this one so we can kind of focus in. And hopefully this, again, stimulates some ideas about how you could use tools like these. So we've got some test ones we've already done here, but let's go in and create something new. So I'm going to move my face out of the way here. So blog ideas, this is kind of neat. And again, this is just to show some of the things that could be done. This varies a little bit tool by tool, but this is pretty, some of these are standard, things like blog ideas or a Facebook ad headlines, ad ideas, content ideas. Let's go down here. Let's see. Product descriptions, right? Let's say you got an e-commerce store and you got to write some product descriptions. And I know these are not fun to do, or maybe someone on your team's got to do a lot of them, right? And you want to help offload that. So one, they can do it more quickly and you can get those products up there and people can purchase them. But also, it can be a bit monotonous and staring at that blank page. So we'll come up with this, and I'm going to use their example. We'll call it Candlesmith. And we're going to call this a Daisy Scrunchy watch band, assuming I can do this. Enter characteristics. Let's see, I'm going to take these off another page off screen here. Let's go colorful and stylish, right? Everybody likes that. Colorful and stylish, hit enter. Let's put one or two secure, fashionable. All right. Brand keywords. Let's put that in there as well. I'm just going to make this up. Trendy, high quality. Let's leave it there. And then I'm just going to leave this empty. And let's see what happens here. I'm going to pause it. And that just took a couple of seconds to come up. And let's see. So they come up. I like how it's got the blank images. Daisy Scrunchy watch band from the name. So that's great. The Candlesmith Daisy Scrunchy watch band is one of a kind. Oh, that's great. Our Scrunchy watch band has a colorful daisy design that you can personalize with a name or initial. Again, this may or may not be true, and you certainly will have to edit it. With its secure closure, the Scrunchy watch band will not fall off your wrist. That's pretty good. Fun way to add a touch of color and personality to your watch. That's pretty awesome. The elastic band secures securely. Probably edit that with a stainless steel buckle. Again, if you had something different, then you could write that in there. So there's no need to worry about it flopping around. Let's see, 4 different colors made from 100% cotton. Again, this is good. And the idea that I see behind these right now and kind of where we're at is to generate ideas. Rarely are you going to see one that's like 100%, but you could say, oh, that's right. Maybe the fabric, I forgot to talk about that. If that's important, you could swap it out for what's in there. Great gift for any age or gender. If that's true, great. If not, that could be a reminder. Oh, this is for this demographic, right? So I find that this type of a tool is great to use. And if we go back here and go up to new file again, you can see all of these things that it can do. So highly recommend it. SEO meta tag, right? Landing pages, rewriting some copy that you have. There's just a ton of great ideas. So highly encourage you to go check this out. If it's Copysmith, great. If it's another tool, that's great. But either use it or hand it off to your team, because you're going to save time and you're going to generate a lot more ideas. So speaking of ideas, if you would like help with your ideas for sales funnels, email marketing, automation, all that sort of good stuff, you can get in touch with me by heading over to oasisoptimization.com.